everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special to unbox and review. It's the Quit Smoking Gutkha Together Kit, a unique and comprehensive solution with triple action formula and the first time in the world to help you quit smoking with triple action formula. And so let's dive in. Right off the bat, the packaging looks really professional and sturdy. Inside we have 3 key products designed to support your tobacco cessation journey. Alright everyone, before I jump in and talk about the contents of this package, I want to point out real quick here, this kit is going to come with a leaflet, a QR scan code to how to use this entire kit, as well as contacting customer care. So with your mobile devices, so whether it's an Android or an Apple, you can open up the camera and be able to scan that QR code either over cellular or Wi-Fi. First, we have the QSG Nico, a 2 milligram nicotine chewing gum. The gum helps manage nicotine cravings effectively and is a great starting point for reducing dependency on tobacco. Next, we have the Energy Burst Lozenges. These are packed with KSM 66, ashwagandha, panax, ginseng, and aloe vera. Not only do they help boost your energy levels, but they also reduce stress, which is crucial when you're quitting smoking. And finally, we have the QSG Sleep Gummies. These gummies are designed to improve your sleep quality, helping you get the rest you need during this challenging period. And there is also a leaflet of how to use this particular product with a QR scan bar. Scanning that code will give you the how to use, or visit www.quitsmokinggutha.com. What I love about the QSG DIY kit is how it addresses multiple aspects to quit smoking, from managing cravings with the Nico chewing gum, boosting energy and reducing stress with Lozenges, and to ensuring you get a good night's sleep with the gummies. This kit covers it all, so what are you waiting for? Buy now. Visit www.quitsmokinggutha.com now. If you're serious about quitting smoking and guitar, the Quitting Smoking and Gutkha Together Kit is definitely worth considering. You can find it on Amazon. Check the link in the description below to learn more and order yours today. Hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon on the top for more unboxing review videos. See you the next time.